Welcome to Kyoto, Japan's timeless treasure chest of culture, tradition, and natural beauty. Join us on an unforgettable journey through Kyoto's iconic landmarks, rich heritage, and the experiences that make it a traveler's paradise. Our adventure begins at the vibrant Fushimi Inari Shrine, with its thousands of vermilion torii gates, where spirituality meets nature. Wander through the enchanting Arashiyama bamboo grove and witness the elegance of a geisha performance. Marvel at the shimmering beauty of Kinkaku-ji, the Golden Pavilion, a Zen masterpiece reflecting in the tranquil waters. Experience a traditional tea ceremony, where every gesture is an art form. Stroll through the historic streets of the Gion District, where you might encounter a geisha. Witness the breathtaking beauty of cherry blossoms in full bloom, a symbol of Japan's fleeting yet exquisite beauty. Immerse yourself in Kyoto's rich cultural festivals, from the Gion Matsuri to the Torii Temple Flea Market. Indulge in Keisuke cuisine, a gastronomic journey through Japan's culinary traditions. Find tranquility in Kyoto's Zen gardens, where every rock and pebble has a purpose. Learn traditional Japanese arts like ikebana, flower arranging, and calligraphy. As the sun sets over Kyoto's Arashiyama district, the city's timeless beauty takes on a new hue. It's a moment of reflection and an invitation to explore this living museum of Japanese culture. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, a culture enthusiast, or a seeker of beauty, Kyoto welcomes you with open arms. Hit that like button, share the magic with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.